Welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. Ora Action Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, reload the page and search for the custom page of the app. Click on it. Then you're going to see the interface of the app, which is going to pop up right over here with all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started. The app is right in here. We have the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the credentials to set up your app. Let's walk you through how to configure your app. Copy the redirect URL, head to the account we've created online. Click on your profile, click on the account, click on create an app. You give a name, choose an icon, you give a description, you paste redirect URL right over here, toggle on the terms and conditions and click on create app. Click on edit, copy the client's ID, head back to your account, click on start setup and you paste. Copy the client's secret and you paste as well. Then click on complete setup. Click on allow access. App has been successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and our team will assist you promptly and schedule a one-on-one video session with the support team. We have the changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.